Sabi ng Ombudsman, meron mastermind. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, walang mastermind. Issue the notices on Monday para ituloy na sa Thursday yung flood control scam hearings. And we want the whole truth and not only some truth or some true, some not true to come out. Kung makikita nyo, may conflict na kagad. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, ito yung mga dapat hindi imbitahin. Sabi naman ni Senator Marcoleta, ito dapat imbitahin. So I'm inviting the whole public, bantayan nyo Senado, in the same manner that we are on trial when we have the impeachment. We also have to hold everyone accountable pagdating dito sa flood control. Which goes to my second point. The Committee on Public Order, dun po na-assign yung May 11 events that for us led to the May 13. And ngayon, kung sino-sino nag-iimbestiga, sabay-sabay po ngayon nag-iimbestiga, nagsistatement sa Senate. DOJ, NBI, CIDG, may PNP, may CIDG, hiwalay pa sa spokesperson ng PNP, meron pang so Ombudsman, NBI, DOJ, PNP, CIDG, DILG. Agad-agad pumayag kami sa joint with the DILG at PNP, but at one point, sila na lang. Kami ang tahimik para independent.